Hey, fellow mathers, thanks for listening to the podcast. Before we get into this episode, have we got some really important information?
Y'all, registration is now open for our Building Powerful Mathematics online workshops. These are the magic, the why, when, how, the details, the experience, making real mathing happen in you and your classroom.
We've got a workshop targeted for your grade level. Whether you teach kindergarten, high school, or anything in between, you can find the best workshop for you at mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops. mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops.
Registration is only open for a short time, so book your spot before it's too late. Now on to the show.
Hey, fellow mathers, welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam Harris.
And I'm Kim Montague.
And this episode is a Math Strat Chat episode where we chat about our math strategies. Every Wednesday evening, I throw out a math problem on social media and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use and comment on each other's thinking.
Okay, so this Wednesday, our math problem was 73 minus 28. How would you solve this problem? Go ahead and pause and solve the problem however you want. It's 73 minus 28.
All right. So people are thinking about solving that problem. Kim, I'm standing here with my trusty erasable pen.
Oh.
Remember, so we were
Been a while.
recently, I'm just going to have to admit, we were recently at a conference and somebody gave us two erasable pens because we have this argument about pens and pencils or whatever. And so I'm writing with this erasable pen and it's lovely. And I'm so sorry that I don't remember who gave it to me. I feel terrible about that. So if it was you, holler at me so I can give you a hearty thank you for the erasable pen. But anyway, 73 minus 28. Who's going first, Kim? I don't know.
I'll go first.
All right, you go.
All right, so 73 minus 28,
Super curious what you're going to do.
Well, I mean, I like to over from time to time. So
Okay.
I'm gonna go 73 minus 30 is 53, but I subtracted too much. So I'm gonna add that 2 back on and I have 55.
Nice strategy. So I'm not going to do an over strategy. I'm going to think about the difference or the distance between 73 and 28. So on a number line, I have plunked down 28 on the left, 73 on the right. And I'm thinking to myself, how far apart are they? Now I could just sort of add the distances between them, but I'd like to find an equivalent problem that's slightly easier for me to solve. So I'm going to shift that distance up 2. So the 28 becomes 30 and 73 becomes 75. And now I have an equivalent problem, 75 minus 30, which is also 45.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
Cool.
Okay. All right. Well, we can't wait to see what you do every single week. Join us on Math Strat Chat and let us know how you think about the problems that are posted there and comment on each other's strategies.
Yeah, we post the problems on Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Central Time. And when you answer, tag me and use the hashtag MathStratChat. Then join us here to hear how we're thinking about the problem. We love having you as part of the Math is Figure-Outable movement because math is figure-outable. Thank you for listening and making math more figure-outable. Y'all, Kim and I get so many questions. So many of you are encouraged and excited to teach math, real mathing, and we're doing our best to answer your questions in depth, but we can only do so much on the podcast. But there's so much more.
Where can you learn all the things that you need to make math more figure-outable? In our Building Powerful Mathematics online workshops. Find your best fit at mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops.
If you are a pre-K through 12 educator, we have a workshop for you. Here's a bit of a breakdown. If you are pre-K 2, check out Building Addition for Young Learners. Grades 2 and up, Building Powerful Subtraction. Grades 3 and up, Building Powerful Multiplication. Grades 4 and up, Building Powerful Division. Grades 5 and up, Building Powerful Proportional Reasoning. Grades 8 and up, Building Powerful Linear Functions. And our most recent for everyone, Building Powerful Fractions 1.
You can find the best workshop for you and register at mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops.
Let's change the world together and make math more and more figure-outable.